Let's make trading smarter, not harder. If you're serious about trading, kailangan mo talaga ma-master ang limits and conditional orders. These are essential tools para maging efficient at smart trader kasi invest the trade. Ano ang limit order? Para ito sa mga gusto mag-buy or sell at specific price. Ikaw ang boss, di ka bibili or magbibenta hanggat hindi na hit yung price na gusto mo. Yung conditional order naman ay pang smart trader talaga. You set conditions like if price hits this level, then buy or sell. Automatic na yan para di mo na kailangan magbantay ng market 24/7. To send best trade, meron tayo nitong 2 orders na to. For limit orders, enter the price na gusto mo for buying or selling. Then set the quantity, click preview order, done. Conditional orders naman, set your trigger price. For example, dito kay 7, nahawak natin its stock price, hits target price at 75 or cut loss price ng 65, sell 20 shares. Ganun lang kadali. Bakit limit orders? To ensure na hindi ka overpaying or underselling. Perfect ito for efficient trading. Conditional orders naman are ideal for busy tips who can't watch the market all day. Let the system do the work for you. So if gusto mo maging smart and efficient trader, start using limit and conditional orders sa Invest the Trade. See you on the platform and happy trading!